smoothie lovers! Today I'm about to share one of my all-time favorite recipes, the papaya ginger smoothie. It's not just delicious, it's packed with goodness that'll have you glowing from the inside out. Let's start with the stars of the show. Fresh papaya, sweet, creamy, and loaded with vitamin C and digestive enzymes. It's a powerhouse for your gut and your skin. Next up, ginger. Just a thumb-sized piece, peeled and sliced. Ginger brings a zesty kick and is famous for fighting inflammation and boosting immunity. Here's how I make it. I toss about a cup of ripe papaya chunks into the blender. Add the ginger, a squeeze of fresh lime for that tangy pop, and a splash of coconut water to keep things light and hydrating. If I'm feeling fancy, I might throw in a few mint leaves too. Blend it all up until it's silky smooth. Pour it into a glass, maybe add a little ice if you like it extra refreshing, and that's it. You've got a vibrant, tropical smoothie that's as good for your body as it is for your taste buds. Every sip is like a mini vacation for your senses, but it's also doing wonders for your digestion, your immune system, and your skin health. So the next time you're craving a snack, skip the chips and blend up this papaya ginger smoothie instead. Your body will thank you. Cheers to health, happiness, and delicious moments.
For more healthy diets tips, kindly like, share, and subscribe to this channel.